In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets manually in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log a customer issue, capture the right details, and keep it moving through your support process with confidence. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and heading to the service section. From there, open tickets. This is your home base for support work. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions for Service Hub. Next, look to the top right and click Create Ticket. A ticket form will slide in. This is where you'll add the key information that helps your team respond quickly and consistently. Begin with the basics. Give the ticket a clear, specific name like login issue or refund request so it's searchable at a glance. In the description, include context that will help resolve the issue faster, what happened, when it started, and any relevant details or error messages. Then associate the ticket with the right records, link it to a contact, and when applicable, a company and even a deal. These associations keep the full customer picture in one place, so anyone on your team can pick up the thread. Set the ticket properties to match your workflow. Choose the correct pipeline, such as your support pipeline. Pick a status that reflects where the ticket stands right now. New when it's first created, open when someone is actively working it, waiting on customer when you need more information from the requester, and closed when the issue is fully resolved. Set a priority level, low, medium, or high, based on impact and urgency. Clear priorities help your team triage effectively. Assign the ticket to an owner, whether that's a support agent or yourself, so accountability is clear from the start. If you have supporting materials, add attachments. Screenshots, documents, or logs can save time and prevent back and forth. Just make sure the files are relevant and do not include sensitive data. When everything looks good, click Create. Your ticket is now saved and ready to work. From here, manage the ticket as progress is made. Update the status promptly, add notes or internal comments to document findings and decisions, and log activities like calls, emails, and tasks so the full history is captured in one place. Finally, track everything in your pipeline view. Use the Kanban board to see tickets by stage and drag and drop them as they move forward. This gives you a clear, real-time snapshot of workload and progress across your team.